Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Standing today on 28th November 2020, I'm going to be shooting a pretty important video about our yet another initiative. And this initiative, by the way, we have taken only for the young guns. Most of the people who knew me personally or knew me from my videos, they know that, I started my career in a treasury function. And to be very honest and precise, that till 2020, 2010, I always used to believe that the banking fraternity is always the most intelligent fraternity we have across the globe. Rather, I told you earlier also, but I always used to feel very happy during my treasury days that I today is a meeting with a foreign bank. But after 2008, what had happened is there on Google. Majority of the top banks of the globe, they fined heavily. Many top banks of the globe reached at $1, and US government bail out majority of the US bank directly or indirectly. And even this story has not yet concluded. Even after every 1 week, one or another US bank came in public domain about the fines. Recently, we have yet another bank in the public domain. And one of the important functions of any investment, any big foreign bank of the globe is definitely the investment banking. Now, investment banking precisely means that you are helping people to raise the money. Now, that people might be corporate, might be NBFCs, might be big financial institutions like hedge funds, maybe insurance companies, or anything. When we speak about investment banking, we cannot conclude without the big names like Goldman, JP Morgan, and Morgan Stanley and all. They are really the largest investment banking platforms of the globe. And in 2020, when the business travel was, in fact, today also, when business travel is almost zero, these big institutions really did very well in the world of investment banking. And few of them launched their own app also in terms of investment banking so that their business continue. I think this is really a very good initiative, and this also signifies one fact that eventually over the period of the time you will see that more and more foreign banks will move to app based investment banking, but the time will tell. Treasury Consulting was really waiting for this initiative to launch, and we are thank you to someone in the sky that on 28th November 2020 we started our investment banking desk. Now let me be very clear, what do you mean by investment banking desk? We are not going to be act as a lead run manager. We are not going to be doing I would say any due diligence. We would not be conducting any road shows and all these things. As of now, we would not be conducting. Like in 2016, we started with a very modest genre, and that genre was YouTube videos. And from here till today, we are having around 4,500 YouTube videos and around 4,000 plus YouTube videos due in 2021. Similarly, in the investment banking world, we have linked with our learning platform, which is Sheetal Academy. You know that Sheetal Academy is the learning platform of Treasury Consulting Group. In case you do not have any link of Sheetal Academy, you can definitely WhatsApp me, or you can WhatsApp our back office 9818485155, and we will definitely let you know about the link of the Sheetal Academy. Treasury Consulting Group launched a school, which is School of Investment Banking in with Sheetal Academy, which is a learning platform of Treasury Consulting Group. And I'm promising you that in another 2 months, there is hell lot of action which is pending as far as the Sheetal Academy is concerned. We are planning so many video courses in 2021 because the time has come when Treasury Consulting to act as an OTT platform. Of course, we will definitely not be as big as we have Amazon, Netflix, maybe Disney, and all these. But yes, the longest journeys in the globe start with a single step. In this regard, we have decided to launch our first video course pertaining to investment banking. And that video course is the beginner series of investment banking, which would be 1 hour course, of course, video, followed by 30 minutes of Q&A session using a video conference mode, using the Zoom platform. This course is of 1 hour, precisely 60 minutes plus around 30 minutes of Q&A session. So in short, around 90 minutes course. We are launching this course on Friday evening. And I'm very pleased to share that around 20 to 25% of the course is already done. So a very short percentage of the course is pending. And this week we are also concluded our advanced equity valuation course and launching the pending videos so that we can conclude the whole package and we can move further in that direction also. So this week is really important week for us as far as our OTT platform is concerned. You are definitely welcome to join this investment banking course, and it is priced at a price you cannot believe. You cannot believe. Treasury Consulting, since we are launching our first course in our investment banking desk, and I promise you that we would be launching lots and lots of courses in our investment banking desk. That is my promise. We would be launching so many things like how to do the due diligence, how to do the valuation, what are the various things that we need to understand as far as the investment banking is concerned, how to conclude the deal, what is term sheet. I still give you an example that when both of my companies I served total 10 years, I directly or indirectly was a part of many M&As. And we had a word with many banks as far as the term sheets are concerned. And I don't know how many of people know that whenever bank come to cooperate for a term sheet, they come in a fancy folder and they come with a printout. Some cases they carry the presentation, some cases they carrying the are to the point printout. So it depends upon bank to bank, to be honest. And if you read these printouts, I'm telling you upfrontly or apparently, it is next to impossible for anyone to conclude that what exactly the bank is willing to convey, at what rate we would be getting funding, what would be LIBOR or not, what would be the INR rate or not, and so on and so forth, and what would be the various permutations and combinations, and so on and so forth. I consider myself very lucky thanks to someone in the sky, and because of that I understood how exactly this deal structuring happened, what is term sheet, what are the various flaws in term sheet, how to read the term sheet, and most importantly what are the various astics we have in term sheet. ASTI. Now there is a very good word in investment banking which is known as astification. I don't know whether you know or not, but astification means that whenever you share a term sheet with any organization, NBFC, hedge fund, insurance companies, big banks who wanted to raise the money, maybe syndication deal or whatever, then you will make every point in black and writing. This will not happen, this will not happen, this will not happen, this will not happen, this will not happen. Okay, this will happen, but to the point, and so on and so forth. This is called astification. And I'm telling you, astification is really very tough. It depends upon the local laws. It depends upon which subsidiary of the bank is actually in the action, whether we have carry trade or not. And there are so many actions which we have in that regard. So this is the beginning, and I'm assuring you our investment banking desk would now be covering many things, like we already covered many things on our YouTube channel. We launched so many FX related videos, and many videos are on the card in 2021. And more importantly, I'm assuring you that so much content is on the way in 2021, not only the global stock market, but also FX and all. I'll once again repeat, the investment banking course is priced at 800 rupees per course. 800 rupees. Since this is our first course in investment banking, it's a 1 hour video series, which is basics of investment banking. And when I teach basics, you know what I'm going to be teaching, followed by around 30 minutes of Q&A session. The course is live now, live in the sense it is open for registration. The course is hitting Friday, which is whatever date. And of course, we would make a group and we will upload the videos in that group, and you can download the videos and read as an listen as and when you feel, followed by a Q&A session, and we will provide you the recording of that also, so that you can remember your Q&As forever. If you have any question, you can definitely WhatsApp 9818485155. 9818485155. But thank you to someone in the sky. Thank you to Lord that the time has come in Treasury Consulting to start modest journey in investment banking. God willing, if God is kind, and I'm sure He would continue to be kind, probably in 1, 2 years, 3 years time, we would be a full-fledged investment bankers. But I think journey is little long. We need to take short step, and the first step is our video course. Have a great time, sir. Thank you very much.